Hello friends. Now according to this expression, we use the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule which dictates the correct order of operation. First we solve B. B stands for small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for we convert into multiplication. We solve roots and exponents. D stands for division. M stand for multiplication. A stand for addition. S stand for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now the first step, solve the exponents inside the inner brackets. Now there is a 4 square plus 2. Now first we solve orders. There is a 4 square, 4 into 4 that is 16, and after 16 plus 2 is equals to 18. According to this step, inner parentheses, small brackets take the priority starting with the powers and clear the inner parentheses, resolve the innermost operations completely by 18. So now the expression becomes curly brackets 18 divided by 6 curly bracket of plus root 81 and multiplied by 2. Move to the next step, solve the curly braces. Now 18 divided by 6 is answer 3. Curly brackets are the next in line. So now the current expression becomes 3 plus root 18. To this expression, the next step evaluate the square roots. Now root 81 is equals to 9. And according to this step, roots orders must be simplified before the multiplying or adding. So now the 3 plus 9 multiplied by 2. Perform multiplication. Now 9 multiplied by 2 equals to 18 and multiplication ranks higher than the addition. So now the expression becomes 3 plus 18 and perform addition. This is the last operation. So 3 plus 18 is equal to 21, which is the final result. So now according to this expression, by using the BODMAS sequence, the final result of this expression is 21, and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.